see, and this way you can just put the values. अब सिर्फ values देखो और लगा दो, हो जाएगा. It's simple. Hello everybody, how are my students? Welcome to our channel with your Ayushi Singhal here, and we are studying NCERT, CBSE and ICSE 9th course, that is trigonometry. So till now we have learned our trigonometric ratios, how to remember them, and in the last session we have even understood that how to remember the values of various angles in trigonometry. So we are here back again understanding on how to solve the questions if we get any question based on our angles. So last time I told you need to remember the values. So I hope all of my students have done their homework and they are with us for solving some questions. Let's solve some questions here. So yes, but before that, what do you need to do? Please comment, like and share. If you share, we will grow into a big family, and yes, it's also a noble cause that you can help a lot of students out there which cannot afford actually the classes. So this is for them, and this is for free. And so subscribe our channel, spread it as much as possible. We are done with our trigonometry course. This is our last session of the trigonometry, so it would be good if more and more students can join us and they can actually learn about it. So we are solving some questions. So our first question, I'll take very simple question, and my first question is, you need to just find out the value sine 60 into cos 30 plus sine 30 into cos 60. So just write the table and you can directly see the value. Sine 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2, and this is exactly opposite. So this is 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2, 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2. So now you have 2, you can directly solve it, root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 4, so this will become root 3 by 2. That's the answer. So you may get any simple question like this. This is one type where you get simply to multiply them and add them. You just need to find the value, or you can solve it. Or you can also get a question like, I'll clear it, and you can also get a question like, find the value of cos square 60 plus sine square 30 degree. So what you know, cos 60 is 1 by 2, but since it's square, so don't forget you need to square it like this. Again square, you need to square it like this. So it will be 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So it's nothing but 1 by 2 only. Right? So this is a second type of question which you will get. What you need to remember, just see our previous video on how I told you that you can remember the values, and this way you can just see, you have to write it at the end of your page, you can just see, and this way you can just put the values. अब सिर्फ values देखो और लगा दो, हो जाएगा. It's simple, right? कुछ मुश्किल नहीं है. एक third type of question है जो थोड़े से बच्चा कंफ्यूज हो जाता है, तो I'll take that question, then I'll give one question to you to solve. Right? The question is, it's given tan a plus b is equal to root 3, and it's also given tan a minus b is 1 by root 3. So we need to find the values of a and b. मतलब you have to calculate what is their angle. तो अब आपको पता है कि tan root 3 कब होता है? 60 degree पे. That means tan a plus b is nothing but tan 60 degree. And 1 by root 3 कब होता है? tan 30 पे. तो क्या मैं बोल सकती हूँ कि a plus b 60 है और a minus b 30 है? Now you already have learnt substitutions methods or elimination method, you can apply any method to solve this. I apply elimination method. So by adding two equations, what will I'll get? 2a is equal to 90. That means a is nothing but 45 degree. I'll get the answer. And b is nothing but 15 degree. Easy. So these are only 3 types of questions that you will get. बाकी इसके अलावा आपका कुछ नहीं आएगा. आपको या तो वैल्यू पता होनी चाहिए, आप उसमें डायरेक्ट पुट कर दोगे, या फिर आपको वैल्यू निकालनी पड़ेगी तब आप पुट करोगे. इन एनी वे इट इज़ ओके, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो, राइट. सो इट्स ईजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. सिर्फ ट्रिक पता होगी. ट्रिक को बिल्कुल मुश्किल नहीं है, ट्रिक को बहुत आसान है. पर अगर ट्रिक नहीं पता होगी और आप सब चीज़ों को सोचोगे ठीक है आई रिमेंबर, तो नहीं, भूल जाओ. तो जस्ट रिमेंबर द ट्रिक, इट बिकम्स सो ईजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. या नेक्स्ट हैव सम क्वेश्चंस. कुछ क्वेश्चंस देखते हैं ना जिसमें आप सॉल्व करोगे एंड आई विल टेल यू. तो आप इसको सॉल्व करना एंड यू नीड टू मेंशन इट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. तो आई एम गिविंग यू इट्स 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. तो यू नीड टू सॉल्व द आंसर. आप मुझे आंसर बताओगे कि इसका क्या आ रहा है. एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो आप सॉल्व करोगे दैट वुड बी 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree upon sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. So you need to solve these questions. Write the answer in the comment section and then I'll tell you what the exact answer is. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. But yes, it's just not the only video. We will be back again with our new chapter. And how will you get to know when our new chapter is coming? Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So you will get the notification and you can revise. And yes, do share as much as possible. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye.